बिग बजट स्टूडियो फिल्म्स या इंडी फिल्म्स, चेस्नी किन फिल्म्स में काम करना चाहती है? उन्होंने भी कुछ बॉलीवुड फिल्में देखी हैं। आखिर वो कौन सी बॉलीवुड फिल्म है जो चेस्नी ने देखी है और वो किसकी फैन है? सिंगिंग, एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब्स, यानी कि काफी टाइम चाहिए। सपने देखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। आखिर वो कौन कौन सी जगह हैं, कौन कौन से इवेंट्स हैं जहां पर चेस्नी परफॉर्म करना चाहती है? सुनिए खास पॉडकास्ट बाय अमित अग्रवाल में। Welcome to podcast by अमित अग्रवाल, हाइब्रिड एडिशन। हाइब्रिड एडिशन क्यों? क्योंकि हाइब्रिड एडिशन हमें एम्पावर करता है कि हम दुनिया भर से चुन कर उन लोगों को आपके पास लेकर आएं, उनकी बातें आपके सामने रखें जिन्होंने जीवन में काफी कुछ किया है। आज हमारे साथ हैं BNF अवार्ड्स 1-on-1 अवॉर्डी एडिशन की अवॉर्डी Chesney Claire.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here and I'm so happy to be a part of BNF Awards.
Chesney Claire USA में बेस्ड हैं, एक प्रोड्यूसर हैं, सिंगर हैं, एक्ट्रेस हैं। चेस्नी जो कि काफी अवार्ड्स भी जीत चुकी हैं, उनका स्वागत भी हमने भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार नमस्ते करके किया।
Namaste.
Thank you. चेस्नी ने हमें बताया कि वो भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय परंपरा का बहुत ही आदर करती है। हालांकि वो कभी खुद भारत भ्रमण के लिए नहीं आई, लेकिन वो पाती हैं कि भारत से उनका एक अटूट जुड़ाव है। इससे ज्यादा हम कुछ आपको चेस्नी क्लेयर के बारे में बताएं, खुद सुनिए चेस्नी क्लेयर से उनकी बातें, उनकी कहानी।
Well, I'm 21 years old and I live in Las Vegas in the United States, and I have been working on music since I was 15. I've been in and out of recording studios, learning the whole recording process. I've been writing original music and learning how to produce myself. Also since then, and since the COVID pandemic, since everything got shut down, I was really in the learning process. So I've been doing that for quite a while, and I have 12 or 13 singles released right now to streaming platforms that are pushed every single day, and I'm every day making new music to give to the world.
चेस्नी ने कहा कि वो किस तरह से गाने बनाते जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो बड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग लेबल हो या फिर चाहे वो सिंगल्स हों, उन्हें गाने बनाने का शौक है। वो कहते हैं ना, म्यूजिक इन माय ब्लड।
Thank you.
चेस्नी ने आगे बताया कि म्यूजिक से, गानों से वो एक्टिंग करने की तरफ कैसे मोटिवेट हुई।
I'm also taking part in some upcoming films, and I just got signed to a modeling agency, and so I'm doing some work in those two areas as well, trying to fill out everything, being a songwriter, producer, model, actress, trying to fill out all the cracks.
Perfect. That's wonderful. That shows that how versatile you are, and that shows the fact that you're very talented.
Thank you.
Welcome.
गीत, संगीत, अभिनय, निसंदेह चेस्नी कला के क्षेत्र में काफी काम कर रही है। पर ये कला प्रेम क्या जन्म से ही उनके खून में था, या ये एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग, म्यूजिक का कीड़ा जब वो बड़ी हो रही थी तब काट कर गया? सुनिए खुद चेस्नी ने क्या कहा।
At first, it was mostly music. So I began in my high school show choir, singing songs. We would go to casinos and malls, and we would perform. And I fell in love with the performance side of doing music. And then once I hit recording studios, I fell in love with the recording process. And I was about 17 in my first time in a studio. Completely fell in love with that, but as the journey has continued, I have figured that if I put my feet in more areas than one, like if I'm also a model, also in acting, also producing myself, then will not be I will be unstoppable at something. There will be one thing that I'll succeed in. So, yeah, at the beginning it was just music, but now it's everything.
Singing, acting, producing, modeling, कला के 4 क्षेत्र, डिस्टिंक्ट क्षेत्र, पर इन चारों क्षेत्रों में से चेस्नी का पसंदीदा क्षेत्र कौन सा है?
I would have to say music, just because music brings me back to what originally got me started, what has been my passion since I started in the entertainment business. So I would definitely say music. It just has a special place in my heart, and I love being able to create things that other people relate to, stuff like that. So I would definitely say music.
आखिर वो क्या हालात थे जिन्होंने चेस्नी को एक संगीतकार म्यूजिक में अपना करियर बनाने के लिए प्रेरित किया?
The first time that I ever sang in front of anybody was at my grandfather's funeral. And so I got a bunch of people that approached me after that happened, and they said, "You need to do something with your voice." And I was like, "I'm too shy. I'm not too good at this, but if you give it practice and if you open up and really just let yourself loose, then you'll be able to succeed at it." And so I started performing in little bars around my hometown, and just getting the word out that I am a singer, and yeah, that's how that happened.
चेस्नी खुद तो कई लोगों की फेवरेट सिंगर हैं ही, पर उनके वो कौन से सिंगर्स हैं जो वो पसंद करती हैं, जो उनके फेवरेट सिंगर्स हैं?
I really like Billie Eilish. I have started to kind of mimic her. Well, at the beginning, I was mimicking like her vocal patterns, and she was really teaching me like what I should be doing with my voice because her tone is similar to mine. So I really fell in love with Billie Eilish, and also Mac Miller. I love Mac Miller. He's one of my favorite artists.
भारत में जब कोई व्यक्ति मीडिया और एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में जाता है तो माता पिता का काफी विरोध रहता है। क्या ऐसा कोई विरोध चेस्नी ने अपने जीवन में भी पाया, या वो खुद विरोधाभासी होकर अपने माता पिता को बोल उठी कि मुझे तो एक्टर, सिंगर, मॉडल ही बनना है? जानिए खुद चेस्नी से।
I did already make up my mind, but thank goodness I have the support of my mom, who also would walk into those bars with me when I was too young to go and perform by myself. So I was 15 with the help of my mom to get in there. I was able to perform there, and so she has just been absolutely supportive of whatever I do and whatever I've chosen to do, music-wise and entertainment business-wise. She just has been helpful, and she helps manage, and so there was no objections, and there was no fear of anything happening because I had her there with me.
चेस्नी ने हमें बताया कि उन्होंने 14 सिंगल्स यानी कि 14 सिंगल्स रिलीज किए हुए हैं।
Yes, or I have 14 out.
मात्र 21 साल की उम्र में। आखिर इन 14 सिंगल्स में से उनका खुद का फेवरेट सिंगल कौन सा है और क्यों है?
I would probably say my latest release, The Problem, and it would be my favorite because it's 100% by me. I produced that song. That's the first song that I've ever produced and released. So I produced that song, I wrote it, I sang it, I engineered it, I mixed, I mastered it. It's all me. So that's my favorite.
That's wonderful. You are much more talented than we had thought.
Thank you. Thank you.
संगीत से अभिनय तक, आखिर चेस्नी का म्यूजिक से एक्टिंग का सफर कैसा रहा और वो उसमें खुद को कितना सक्सेसफुल मानती है?
I have just been in contact with the right people. Whenever you get in the right circle in the music business, you can find other people that are also in the entertainment business that just work with other people in the music business. So just by going to networking events or reaching out to people on LinkedIn, I have made successful contacts with people in the entertainment business who also see my face and my songs as a fit for their movies or their films. So it's just been an easy networking connection, just going places or being on social medias.
जब आप ज्यादा काम करते हैं तो ज्यादा देशों में भी घूमते हैं। आखिर वो कौन-कौन से देश हैं जहां पर चेस्नी गई है?
I have been to Mexico and I've been to Canada, just the out of the bordering countries, but I've never been anywhere else.
No.
Definitely looking to expand that in the future. Definitely looking to travel all over the world because we're not meant to stay in one place.
सपने देखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। आखिर वो कौन-कौन सी जगह हैं, कौन-कौन से इवेंट्स हैं जहां पर चेस्नी परफॉर्म करना चाहती है? सुनिए खास पॉडकास्ट बाय अमित अग्रवाल में।
I would really love to perform at the Grammys. I would love, first of all, to win a Grammy. I do have a couple nominations, right? I'm in consideration for a couple nominations right now. So being able to have a nomination out of my 5 nominations would definitely be great. And I would love to perform there one day.
Singing, acting, modeling, time consuming jobs, यानी कि काफी टाइम चाहिए। आखिर चेस्नी इन 3 विधाओं का टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करती है? सुनिए खुद चेस्नी की जबान।
I really try to prioritize each of them equally. Whichever one is most important, I guess, at the moment, to my business, to my career, and to my name, I usually prioritize. But overall, music has been the starter for me, so it is definitely a very important part of who I am and what I do. So I would say music, but all of it is completely equal to me otherwise.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट के बारे में अभी चेस्नी ने हमें बताया तो नेचुरल है कि वो फिल्में देखने के लिए भी टाइम निकाल लेती है। पर उनकी देखी हुई कई फिल्मों में से उनकी फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सी है?
I recently watched A River Runs Through It with Brad Pitt in it, and I am in love with it. I think the cinematography is beautiful. I think the story is beautiful, and just everything about it. I love watching films, and I love taking them in and dissecting them and kind of putting my own thought behind why the director did this or why the director did this. But yeah, that's my most favorite recently that I've watched.
जब चेस्नी ने अपनी फेवरेट फिल्म्स के बारे में हमें बता दिया तो इट वाज नेचुरल कि अगला क्वेश्चन आएगा कि फिल्म का जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आदमी होता है या औरत होती है, यानी कि कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप होता है डायरेक्टर, उनका फेवरेट डायरेक्टर कौन है?
I really like Spielberg. I know it's a basic thing, but I really like Steven Spielberg. I love the direction that he goes. He's a director. I love the direction that he goes with his films and the idea and the pictures that he shows, the pictures, the ideas that he's giving the audience.
आज जब बॉलीवुड दुनिया के कोने-कोने में पहुंच गया है, इट इज नेचुरल कि चेस्नी भी बॉलीवुड से अछूती नहीं रही हैं। उन्होंने भी कुछ बॉलीवुड फिल्में देखी हैं। आखिर वो कौन सी बॉलीवुड फिल्म है जो चेस्नी ने देखी है और वो किसकी फैन हैं? देखिए खुद।
I have a couple years ago, I watched a few. I forget even the names of them, but I have watched a few.
शेक्सपियर ने कहा था ना, व्हाट्स इन अ नेम? नाम को छोड़िए, ये जानते हैं कि चेस्नी को अपनी पहली बॉलीवुड फिल्म कैसी लगी जो उन्होंने देखी थी?
I found them really entertaining. I couldn't understand most of it, but that's okay. Sometimes words aren't needed to understand a picture. But yeah, I liked them a lot.
Awards and festival. कई अवार्ड्स जीत चुकी चेस्नी के लिए अवार्ड्स और फेस्टिवल की क्या महत्ता है और उन्हें अवार्ड जीतकर कैसा लगता है?
Awards have been very important for me. I have won many awards, mainly for my songwriting. Other than that, I've won a couple of artist awards, best female artist and stuff like that. But they definitely have been very helpful in my career, just to add to my resume, say that I have accomplished this. And it's helped me get places that I don't think that I would have gotten before. So I think it's a good way to show what you're doing and show how it pays off.
बिग बजट स्टूडियो फिल्म्स या इंडी फिल्म्स, चेस्नी किन फिल्म्स में काम करना चाहती है? वैसे आपको बता दें 90% जो फिल्में दुनिया में बनती हैं वो इंडी फिल्म्स होती हैं। तो क्या चेस्नी कम बजट वाली इंडी फिल्म्स में काम करना भी पसंद करेंगी या 1 मिलियन या मल्टी मिलियन डॉलर वाले सिर्फ बड़ी स्टूडियो फिल्मों में ही वो काम करना चाहेंगी?
I feel like anything that really helps me get my name out there, anything that really helps show who I am, and if it's something that I really connect to, it doesn't matter if it is a huge budget film or if it is a big budget film. If it's something that I really relate to and can see myself being in and doing without any problem, then it doesn't matter if it's big or small.
चेस्नी ने वेस्ट कोस्ट पर तो काम किया ही है, ईस्ट कोस्ट के काम के बारे में भी उन्होंने सुना हुआ है। दर्शकों को बता दें, वेस्ट कोस्ट यानी हॉलीवुड की तरफ वाला काम और ईस्ट कोस्ट यानी कि न्यूयॉर्क वाले काम में काफी डिफरेंस होता है, वही जो इंडिया में दिल्ली और बॉम्बे में होता है। तो हमने चेस्नी से पूछा कि जब उन्होंने वेस्ट कोस्ट पर काम किया हुआ है तो वो क्या ईस्ट कोस्ट पर काम करना चाहेंगी? यदि हाँ, तो उन्हें क्या लगता है, उन्हें क्या दिक्कतें आएंगी?
I have been to the East Coast, but I have not worked on the East Coast yet. I have worked in the Midwest. I've worked around Nashville, and I have worked all over the West Coast, but I have not yet worked in the East Coast.
Did you find a difference between the West Coast and Midwest, the working style and the culture?
Yes, for sure. Nashville is definitely more country and geared towards songwriting and perfecting songwriting and perfecting songs and production and stuff like that. While over here in the West, it's basically it's a lot of performances, a lot of performing, and a lot of film and TV also over here, so as well as singing.
अंत में हमने चेस्नी को B&F अवार्ड्स के 1-on-1 अवॉर्डी एडिशन का अवार्ड जीतने के लिए फिर से अनेक शुभकामनाएं दी और नमस्ते के साथ उनका धन्यवाद दिया।
Namaste, and you as well. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure having you.
नमस्ते के साथ चेस्नी से विदा लेने के बाद अब फिर वो समय आ गया है जो आप जानते हैं कौन सा समय है। जी हाँ, मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते फिर एक नई हस्ती के साथ। नमस्ते।
Kapoor!